Hi, my name is Breanna McGrath, and I will be presenting my research on hybrid palettes for student athletes through exploring color and space in therapeutic facilities. Environmental color can be used as a tool to foster patient well-being in orthopedic facilities designed to facilitate treatment and recovery. This study has preliminary insights on the role of environmental color in therapeutic spaces from patient, staff, and designer perspectives. This sample has important insights to share on the role of color in therapeutic spaces. By examining student athletes, physical therapists, and healthcare design experts in concert, a multi-stakeholder process informing color decisions is possible to elevate the user experience. Interior healthcare environments impact patient well-being, yet the design in relation to emotion is often overlooked. While studies have been done on the effects of color in interior spaces, the focus often remains on user performance or preference of color in the space, rather than the emotion felt by the user. Design of healthcare facilities needs to shift from a focus strictly on functionality to an empathetic approach, addressing the psychological needs of the patients, visitors, and staff using the space. Design influences emotion, and in turn, emotion fostering empathy can influence design, especially in spaces where individuals engage in sometimes difficult therapy interventions critical to well-being. Elements of design, including the dimensions of color and space, can influence behavioral and emotional responses within the environment. Therefore, we need to allow color to act as a design tool to help foster recovery and well-being. This multi-phase project aimed to identify appropriate color palettes for healthcare spaces is in the final stages of the IRB approval. The goal of Phase 1 is to create a data collection instrument of color palettes selected by professionals with healthcare design expertise. These design experts reviewed a major paint manufacturer's industry color forecast and selected the most appropriate color palettes for orthopedic, healthcare, and residential spaces. The next phase involves surveying two main user groups of orthopedic spaces: student athletes and physical therapists. Using the selected color palettes from Phase 1, student athletes and physical therapists will be surveyed based on preference of color in residential spaces and two orthopedic spaces, a waiting room and an exercise treatment space. The research underway will examine the level of alignment in the view of color and its roles between designers and end users. The findings can offer a line of research in orthopedic spaces that directly considers the student athletes and their physical therapists. The study can be replicated and refined to examine a broader cross-section of university athletes and healthcare providers to develop evidence-based strategies and solutions to improve the patient and provider experience. Thank you.